Welcome to the second video on ratios. Ratio is written in the form of A colon B, or for example, this is my real ratio 2 ratio 3, or 2 colon 3. Fractions are written in the form of A over B. I am saying A over. Here I did not use the word over. I said A ratio B. Here I'll say A over B, or B is dividing A. Or the real example would be 2 over 3. 3 is dividing 2. Now we will see what's the difference between ratio and fractions. Ratio tells us the relation between, here I have two numbers, so let's say two numbers, because I have two numbers. Okay, we will see how this number is actually not a number. Okay, this can be, let's say, small building and a bigger building of same material. In the form of ratio, I can say this small building is 1 ratio 2 of bigger building. What does it mean? I can say smaller building is half of the bigger building, and it looks like that also, isn't it? It's half of other building. Or I can say in a different manner, whatever this small building is, the bigger building is double of it. Whatever means here we can assume whatever number, doesn't matter. But just make sure when you will build the other building, it has to be. Here it was whatever, but here it has to be. The other building has to be double of whatever, and this looks double. Correct? This only tells me that, and that is relation. A ratio only tells us what's the relation between two things. What are you comparing? That's the question. If question is compare ratio, find the ratio. Ratio means compare. So that ratio in the end will tell you only one lesson. That lesson will be what is what? What is the relation of one thing with the other, or the other thing with the first part? Fractions. Fractions give us distribution, or divisions rather, divisions, or parts of whole. It actually tells me how many parts of a whole exist. It tells me the parts. It doesn't tell me the relations. Let's see the difference. Imagine you have a cake. I divide this cake into 4 slices. I said 4 but wrote 12. So let's divide this cake in 12 slices. 12 parts means 6 lines. Let's draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's count the slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, fractions. This whole cake is divided into 12 parts. If I have to give you this much slice. If I have to give you these slices, this long slices, it would mean I am giving you total 3 slices, correct? Total 3. 1, 2, 3. But I am not giving you 3 numbers. 3 as a whole would mean 3 pizzas. But I only have one pizza with me. So how I can give you 3 pizzas? It's not possible. But I can give you 3 parts of total parts of. This line is read as of, whole. So the flow is like this from up to down. How many parts you gave away, or how many parts you ate, how many glasses of water you drink out of is this line of whole will be in the denominator, which is 12. So I am giving you 3 slices of of whole. Whole is 12 slices. Let's discuss more on this in the next video. Thank you.